Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TN Art. Today I will be making a puddle pour technique into this holographic mold, and I will be using Mica powder by Zwanzer, and from their kit I will be using this golden color and symphony gold. Along with that I will be using this transparent pigment from Resin in violet color and silver black mica from the same kit. So let's start. I will be mixing the colors. I already mixed my resin. So I already made some mess on my molds, so just clean it up. And now I mixed my resin, the colors, starting off with pouring the transparent violet pigment, and there is no resin in my mold. I'm just making the outer ring here on both of the coasters. So this coaster mold is by Molds and Shape, and I highly recommend their molds because they are really amazing and of good quality. So this puddle pour, or you can say crackle effect, are always a hit and miss. Sometimes you get really beautiful effects and sometimes it's nothing. So let's see what we get today. And now with the clear resin in the center. So I'm really going by my own way, what my brain is thinking. Right now I am pouring according to it. So really there is no set of instructions for this, because every time you do an experiment and to try and get new effects, so it's always a surprise with the resin. So after that I am pouring that silver black color, and actually I am starting with that color in the center. And now I'm adding this gold symphony color. It's again the mica powder. Just getting a bit of emptiness over there and putting a teeny weeny amount of that black color. So yeah, over there and into the white, it got a messed up. And now with the golden, so you can see that black is forming such a beautiful pattern. The mica, all this gives such a beautiful effect with the resin. So I have poured both of them, but in this one you can see the mica is doing its work and the other one is still on its way. So on top I'm again using the gold symphony. During these pours you can see a beautiful colors combination happening always. So now I'm pouring the black color again, the black silver. And again with the golden, and you can see that this one is already on its way to create an effect, and the second one is still slowly forming itself. So now basically what I'm doing here is I am using all my leftover. So I go ahead some gold symphony leftover and I'm pouring it. Sorry about my hand covering the screen, but you know I'm pouring the gold symphony. And that's it. We now let it cure and see you next day. So this is the next day and I'm so excited. They both have formed a beautiful background. So let's see how they turn out. The back is really promising. Let's see how the front look like. So let's see. Okay. Yeah. I can see the gold symphony has taken over the whole coaster, but you can see the veins with the black silver and the golden I think has been lost somewhere. But the plus point is that I have used the holographic coaster, so it did save them and instead they are looking really beautiful. So I really love them, how they turned out. That flash of the holographic effect is absolutely amazing. So all in all, they look really pretty. So you can see there is a little bit of peaking of that black color underneath. This looks pretty. It would have been looking more pretty if the rings were different rings of color have been formed. But not to worry, I might try it again. As I said that it's a hit and miss. So this is the back. I think the back is more pretty. So this was a fun tutorial on making a puddle pour into the holographic molds. So do let me know in comments what you think about it, and any lovely suggestions always welcome. Like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. Take care. Bye bye.